Hi, Bedna. Down here at Puget Sound, sorry. Down the street is 6th Avenue, very active small business district, bars, restaurants, pretty decent area. And then there's a college just down the street, Puget Sound University, very active, large university. Pretty good area. Little rooftop sitting up here. Roof looks like it's in pretty decent shape. The downfall that I've seen so far are the windows are old and they're large windows. So these are single pane windows that will need to get done at some point. Obviously they've been here for nearly 100 years, so they're fine for now, but you'll want to budget for it. Original hardwood floors. Pretty good size room here. Looks like some skylights covered up. You have your main bath. Upstairs. These windows up here are done. Another bedroom, very small. And a third bedroom, again, not huge, but not horrible. Skylights, that window's done. Looks like we have a little bit of foundation issues going on right here. I'll go outside and see if it's seems to be a major problem with the foundation or not. Typically that's where it all starts. Floor, pretty large kitchen. Could use some a roller island. Stainless steel appliances. The windows in here have been done. Kind of lacks a yard. Fence needs some work. Pantry, secondary pantry, and then the dungeon. All right, so I'm 5 foot, I'm sorry, I'm 6 foot, and I'm just clearing these. I can stand up in them. But you'll probably, if you were ever able to put drywall in here, I'd probably start hitting my head. It's definitely a great area for storage. Utility room and your laundry room. Newer furnace. And then just your crawl space area. There you have it.